Hey y'all, I'm Stephanie with WTI and I'm here with a Simpeak athletic replacement band. I use this with my Fitbit and it is so easy for me to just pop it in and out. Right before I go work out, I switch out to this band because this one is so versatile for being able to move around, and it's wide enough and it also has enough holes so that it's compatible with even smaller wrist sizes or wider wrist sizes. It fits both just fine. The thing about working out, sometimes you're going to get some grime on these bands. I also appreciate that they're very easy to clean. So after my morning workout, I just go wipe it off and then I'm all set for my next time to use it. This band is also very fashionable. The gold and the white is a very nice complement of each other. I get complimented all the time that it looks like a very expensive watch, so I've appreciated that as well. They don't have to know. But that is why I love it, but that's just my point of view.